What go open a for me head now with my little ugly self with my big bulby eye back then? Think say. Sugar cubes, welcome back to my channel. Let me tell you something. I don't feel good about this one. Yeah? I don't feel good about this video, yeah. Cause it come like so my subscribers, them have magic, them have power, right? I don't know how them know such things in my life. I fall, stop your eyes. I don't know how them know such things in my life. Is it that my head did look like a farm? My head did look like a yam? Because as you can tell from this title, it would all be about a story time. And I was once a yamid. Yes, believe it or not, me I did yamid. I don't know how this thing just, but it reached me. It wasn't my best place in life or best time in life. But before we go into this video, before we go into this video, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Why you go subscribe and don't hit the bell? You better lick your bell, you know? You better lick your bell. Alright. Let's go in this video. Alright guys, on a love mix up and then me fool and give it. Anyways, everything's transpire over a social media platform named Keek. Back then, Keek wasn't that yeah, them don't have no respect for me. You see it? Anyways, back to the story. Oh shit. Back then, it never that popular. I don't know if it's still alive. Me I wonder who use it. And me get a couple message pan Keek. I'm never really look pan because I don't use Keek like that. Okay, so this guy text me like 5 to 6 times. I decided to open it one day because I don't know what's going on my head. Anyways, I read him text message and say, me check out him profile. Him want decent looking somebody, right? And let me tell you something. You see all of this thing, me did just in a fourth farm. Me in a fourth farm. And this nigga in a first year college. Look at that. What go open a for me head now with my little ugly self with my big bulby eye back then? Think say. Me go talk to a first year college man. Listen to this. With the text over the phone, him did not give me words, but me just say, my head not so giddy for the words them, right? Me I say my head not giddy for the words them, so me don't business with that. But over time, we just a text and I say I until the text, and then all of a sudden, you know, sorry, the phone did just get connected. I don't know for what reason. You see it, me finna chat my business pan, yeah, because me don't know want to come to me with this, you know. Me don't know. You see, wanna know, full of yourself bad. Anyways, all if you never like him, you text, you're drawn to the person. If you only never, every girl must be a what you made once in a them life. Only way is that you're young and you not have the boyfriend, or you're God chosen one. Like, you know, you get what I mean. Anyways, when me did the text now, I realized that yes, me a drawn to him or whatever. Then we moved the conversation to Facebook. You know, say Facebook back then did. And with that text, go see me, you know, with my little button phone. Pa M that Facebook, 0 that Facebook. Oh! Me I tell you say, me did clone like that. Nobody gonna clone me like, but this Yamed thing was a Me never see it a come. Me never see it a come at all. No. Listen to me now. We decide to meet up and me and say, alright then. For me school bus, pick me up on my lane mouth and drop me at school. Pick me up from school and drop me at lane mouth. Me not going to none of the town them. My school wasn't disrespectful. My school never located in a no town or city where you could have go in a blah blah. My boss just take me from school to me yard and from yard to school. Me the one that know how me go reach in the town now. You understand? How me go reach in the town now. So okay then. We decide to meet up. We finally meet up. And let me tell you something. I tell you say I did good decent in boy. Him have pretty ear, him dark complexion, cause me no fancy brown people like that. You understand? Me no know. Me no fancy brown people like that. No disrespect, you know, no nice, but you know, no have no taste in quality of affairs, entanglements, such things like that. You get me? Anyways, guys, and everything for chat about. I may I tell you say, you know, me I tell you say, when me reach back at my yard, me feel butterflies and everything. You feel a joke me I make. Them little butterfly thing the way they go on in my stomach and me tell myself say, hey, nobody can clone me. That before this boy come along. You see me, really I made professional, me I tell you about it now. Some long paragraph. I know when women say paragraph, them head dizzy. Me I tell you say, me did clone like that. Nobody gonna clone me like, but this Yamed thing was a, me never see it a come. Me never see it a come at all. No. Every time you get up, you see some long paragraph and you read paragraph, him text fast. Him text quick. You understand? Send you some long paragraph, give you the attention and blah blah. And me now with my big eye self. It giddy when them say paragraph. You understand? So now say, you can't be my girlfriend. Me dad look into it because me I say, you go a one different school. You in a college, me in a high school with my like a fourth grade. You about fourth grade, fourth farm self. You understand? Me not gonna know where you do. You can't do anything and get away with it. Zine, you can't do anything and get away with it. And that me dad say in my mind, cause me don't know where you come along. The boy convinced me. The boy convinced me. After we into it, guys, with their text, with their chat, things where lobby-dobby people, liquor, attention, and them where they call on the phone, stand till 3 o'clock in the morning type of business. Me say, me lose me sleep. Alright? Me lose me sleep. School one day, you know, me there at school one day, and me I tell you say, the way all the things set up, the way all the boys sit up on my head, me never know say them this in the actually real. You understand? Me in my class, you know. And show me want chat to the boy. Remember say you can't really use phone in a Jamaican class like that, you know, or nowhere else. You understand? Me go to the teacher and say, Miss, I need to use the bathroom. Yeah. I need to use the bathroom. I have bladder infection. Look on that dying trial. Me sit down and tell lie on bladder infection if it takes a boy.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Me sit down and tell lie on bladder infection to text a boy. Look at that. Them there is cloud 9 levels of Yamed. Yamability. Me say when Chanel sing that song, me think of me, she sing it for. Me I tell you the truth now. Quick to the story. One day me see on Facebook a picture with him and this girl. In I lap, you know? In I lap. Sit down in I lap, hug up, take picture. Me fool now I'm blind to love. Hey, come out on the video. Me fool now I'm blind to love. Me don't take nothing of it. Me just sit down and pray it like, but this no look safe, yeah, so. this look like intimacy thing I go on here, so, right? Me did have this friend. I'm say, oh, this look to you. She be like, girl, you better text him, girl. You know them people that would draw their word, girl. So I did. I see a picture over this, so, with you and some girl in your lap. Him say what? I say yes, it's still over there. He said, I'm gonna go check it out. Him come back. Him say, oh no, I don't not like that, man. You don't have to worry about that. I could have asked him again. And him could have said me say cousin and me would have believe it too, me did fool. Me say it's like some weeks. Me I tell you, me did fool. You know them little way there, me did have him pan a distance, but me did fool. Because that is a clear something. A girl inbox me and say something and later like say, are you the talk to John Doe? I'm say who's asking his girlfriend. I say what? His girlfriend. Remember see me I tell you say this a girl, you know we know this a girl, I look like a first year college student too. And I say, oh my god, me never expect me to see this day when a girl go to and text my phone and say, what you do with my man? Or me say me never want nothing messy in my life like that. And the thing reached me at such a young age. But then this guy now, after having girlfriend, text me. Me confront him and I say, then somebody just text me ask if I'm here and them say they buy a girlfriend. And they say, why no be you're the only girl. The boy just chicken me head this again like you understand? Me no believe it. I say everything brand new because I say I alone me want in my life I want like a really I made. Yeah? Really I made me I tell you about. Me tell you something when me didn't know something I really I made. Remember say I'm in a college, right? And me just in a fourth farm. Grade what that? Grade 10. Guy I text now sexually him I text now you know I mean I say me don't know you like that bro. I say no me not ready for you. Me not ready for that yet. Me say I don't ready for that. Then ask me say if the next week the boy write a long paragraph. I tell me so we need to break up. Yes, just like that. And me sit down, me don't wonder why you want to break up. And my mind I say no. Oh, because me say me don't have sex with him. That are the point, obviously. Me know some did ugly when me did little big eye and everything. Me did ugly. Anyways, I mean me get my eyes still big. But if me put myself together now, nobody can say, ooh. You understand? And guess what the boy say now? Him break up because of seasick. Imagine, you could have just come and say, Abby, me not feel this no more. We need to break up. But instead you come with a long paragraph and I blame it on seasick. What seasick have to do with that? Seasick don't have nothing to do with that. As me say, I don't feel proud telling this story. But I hope. Well, me know you enjoy because I love people business. Just remember to like, subscribe, share, comment, and you better click the notification bell because I not play with you. I can't come over here and talk my story. You don't play with me. Thanks for watching. Bye.